Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X6 wiper blades, only ways. Park on level ground, turn the ignition off, and lift the arm carefully. I'll explain the unique BMW hook adapter, how to unclip the old blade without forcing parts, and how to align the new blade for a secure fit. You'll learn to check sweep pattern and tighten connections so the wipers work reliably in rain and snow. Gather your new wiper blade, a soft towel, and optional needle nose pliers before starting. These simple tools protect the glass and help release clips without bending the arm. I'll show the gentle motions to unclip the old blade and attach the new one without stress. With the right prep, you'll finish fast, avoid extra trips to the store, and keep your windshield safe while maintaining optimal visibility during wet driving. Begin by supporting the wiper arm and depressing the small release tab on the blade base. Slide the blade downward off the hook adapter while keeping the arm lifted to avoid the glass. Inspect the adapter for damage, then align and slide the new blade until you hear a secure click. Gently lower the arm and test the sweep across the windshield to confirm even contact and quiet operation for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.